Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Alright, y'all. So I got my new phone. I just got it. It was just delivered not too long ago. So let's open it up. See, so I got the 11 Pro in silver. I know. You guys probably was like, oh, she gonna get purple. It's gonna be purple. Nope. Didn't get purple. And I'm gonna tell y'all why I didn't get that one. So here is the box. Nice. Oh my god. I am so nervous about this being extremely big. So, okay, so I have the iPhone XS, just that one. So this one came out 2 years ago. Yeah. So this one is 2 years old because since then they've came out with the SX Max and then the XR. So yeah, this is just the 10. Okay, so oops, I'm gonna turn it this way because my phone number on the saddle box. Let's turn it this way. And then open it up. This. And wow, it is okay. It's not that much of a difference. Sorry, this is what the two phones look like next to each other. This one is a tad bit wider than this one, but they're like the same. Like the same, almost. There you go. So yeah. Oh my goodness. Wow. It feels exactly like the X. Let me take this one out of the case. This one is a little lighter. So the X is a little lighter to it, but yeah, they kind of feel the same. This one is just a tad bit thicker. So put them next to each other. It's just a tad bit thicker. You can tell the difference when you're holding both of them, that this one is a little thicker than this one. So yeah, let's turn it on. Here we go. We have the hello screen. Okay, so I just select English and then this popped up. So it says if you have an iPhone or iPad running on iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to finish setting it up and I will be right back to tell you guys why I chose this iPhone as opposed to the 11 or the 11 Pro Max. Okay, so everything transferred. This is the old one. Everything transferred. Alright, let's see. So what? Pair watch with new iPhone. There we go. Okay.
Snap, I gotta give me one. I'm sorry. What do we want? VHK.
Apple
Who's
Watch?
this?
Yours. That's from Uncle Allen House.
She likes father.
Yeah, it took an hour for everything to transfer, so we went and picked up the kids and everything, and it just completed like right before we came in the house. So I'm going to show y'all what you get inside the box. So you just get this little part here, which just has, you know, not really no instructions, just, you know, some little details about what you're getting. And then you have this little SIM key to take out your SIM card. Then you have some stickers. And you also get a charging bank. So this charging block is bigger than the standard charging blocks. This one for the 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, this is the size that you're going to get. If you get the 11, you're going to get the regular size charging block. So this is what it looks like. And then you get your lightning earbuds, and then your cord. So that is all you get in the box. So I'm just going to explain why I got the Pro instead of the Pro Max and instead of the 11. So for one, I got the previous phone that I had, like I said. So the previous phone that I had, like I said, was the iPhone X, which is the iPhone 10. I had that in the 250 gigabyte, and I had it in silver. Now, as y'all know that I love the color purple, so I'm sure y'all was like, "Ooh, she gonna get the purple," but I didn't. And the reason why I didn't get the purple one is because it was the 11. Now, the difference between the 11 and the 11 Pro is the screen camera, of course, because this one has the telephoto camera. The 11 does not. I felt like the 11 to me is basically a like a shiny version of the the XR. So that's why I didn't get the 11. This is going to be really nice for videos, my Insta stories, my YouTube, and all of that, along with my camera right here that I'm recording on. But yeah, so the reason why I didn't get the Pro Max is because it was too big. I used to have, before I got the X, I used to have the 6S. I had the 6S Plus, and it was just too big. Like, I like to be able to hold my phone in one hand and use it, you know, be able to swipe all across the screen. With the 6S Plus, I couldn't do that, and so that's why I went to the X. And so that's why I went and got the X. I got the X because it was smaller, and it was just better quality phone. Yeah, so basically the difference is the size. I didn't want the Pro Max because of the size. Now, Chris did get the Pro Max. He haven't got his in yet because he got the midnight green color and it was on back order. So he probably won't get his for a couple weeks. But the difference in the size, this one is a 5.8 inch and the Max Pro is a 6.5 inch. So that's like just way too big for my hands. But it's just that the pixel resolution is a little better on the Max Pro, but I mean, this still has a good pixel resolution. I gotta update our photo. We gotta take some new ones. But yeah, that's basically it. As far as the difference is the size, and the pixel resolution is just a tad bit better. So you have the triple 12 megapixel, which is the ultra wide, the wide, and the telephoto. So that is all three of these cameras here. Now, the 11 only has the ultra wide camera and the wide camera. So it only has the dual 12 megapixel cameras. So that is another reason why I wanted the other. So yeah. So that is why I got this one. Now I'm just waiting for my case because it's not here yet. And so now I'm scared to use it because I ain't got no case. That's basically the main differences between the phones. So I really wanted that telephoto feature for my camera, and that's why I got the 11 Pro as opposed to 11. So I wish they would have made it in purple, but you know, what can you do? Yeah, so that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just my overall review and first impression of my iPhone and why I got this one as opposed to the other models. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe because it's free. Like I always say, it's free. It don't cost you nothing. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and insert some clips of some photos that I take versus my iPhone X and the 11 Pro, and so that you can see the differences. So I'm gonna insert some video of both, and then I'm insert photos of both. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Now come on, do it, baby, dig it.